Do your life feel like you're doing everything right? You're working late, you're staying consistent, and you're sacrificing your weekends. But looking at your life, nothing has changed. You see people on your feed winning at 22 while you're still stuck in the same spot. It's starting to feel like the universe is ghosting your hard work, right? But what if I told you that you aren't failing? What if I told you that right now you're experiencing the most important phase of your entire life? Today, I'm sharing a story of growth that will change how you look at your slow progress forever. Once, in the tech-heavy city of Austin, Texas, lived a young woman named Emily. Emily was a dreamer. She had quit her stable job to build something of her own. But 2 years in, she was broke. Her friends were getting promoted, buying houses, and traveling the world. Emily, on the other hand, was working from a small garage, seeing zero growth. She felt like a fraud. One evening, she went to visit her grandfather, Sam, who spent his days tending to a strange patch of land in his backyard. "Grandpa," Emily said, her voice cracking, "I'm done. I've been watering my dreams for 2 years, and not a single leaf has sprouted. I'm just wasting my time." Sam didn't say anything. He led her to a corner of the yard, where a few tiny green shoots were barely visible. "Do you know about the Chinese bamboo?" Sam asked. "You plant the seed, you water it, and you fertilize it every single day. For the first year, nothing happens. Second year, nothing. Fourth year, still nothing. But then, in the 5th year," Sam continued, his eyes glowing with a voice of wisdom, "the bamboo grows 80 feet in just 6 weeks. Now tell me, Emily, did it grow 80 feet in 6 weeks or in 5 years? Emily stayed silent. "It grew in 5 years, Sam whispered. "If at any point during those years the farmer had stopped watering it, the bamboo would have died underground. During those invisible years, it wasn't doing nothing. It was growing a massive root system, strong enough to support an 80-foot tree." Emily realized that her 2 years of failure were actually her root-building years. She was making the one choice to keep going when most people would have quit. She realized that everything happens for a reason, and her foundation was being built in the dark. Your life is no different. Just because you don't see the leaves doesn't mean you aren't growing. Success is a wordy tale of patience. You are currently building the roots that will support your future empire. Don't stop watering your dreams just because the results are invisible right now. Trust the process, because when your 5th year comes, the world won't be able to keep up with your growth. If you're ready to stop comparing your root-building phase to someone else's harvest season, then you're exactly where you need to be. Before you go, if this story reminded you that you're doing better than you think, hit that like button and join our community by subscribing. We're all growing here. Some of us just happen to be bamboos in the making. Keep watering your dreams. Your 5th year is coming.